Hello friends and welcome back to day 2 of my Prime Day coverage. Yesterday we ran through the top deals, but today is different. Today it's personal. I'm walking you through my creator gear I use list. These are the tools and items I have personally bought, tested and genuinely rely on to get my work done. All the links are in the description. Let's get into the gear I actually trust. First up, the ShiftCam SnapGrip Creator Kit. That's a mouthful. This isn't just a grip though, it's my entire mobile studio. It gives me a power bank, a light and a cold shoe mount in one elegant package. It's robust enough to be my at-home setup, but it's really designed for travel. The next one is less about gear and more about saving time. The Stream Deck puts all my software shortcuts onto physical programmable buttons. It has completely changed my workflow and makes editing and all kinds of things so much faster. A true game changer. Okay, you all know I love the Insta360 X series. The X5 is the pinnacle of shoot first, point later. The 8K quality gives you so much creative freedom in the edit, no matter what the light you're shooting in. It's a camera that genuinely expands what's possible. Next, the Insta360 Link 2C. This thing is built like a tank. There's no delicate gimbal to worry about. You can genuinely just throw it into your bag without a second thought. And the AI-powered 4K quality for streaming is superb. Now for the gear that carries the gear. The ShiftCam Workflow Sling Bag. This is my go-to sling bag for quick trips when I only need the essentials. It's compact, incredibly well organized, and lets me get to my camera and all my gear without thinking. But when I need to carry my entire mobile office, this understated creator bag is the workhorse. This is the Under Armour Hustle 6.0 backpack. The key here is that the bag itself is incredibly light, which is crucial for maximizing your gear carry-on allowance when you're flying. It's also water repellent fabric too, which can be very useful and protective if caught out by the weather. Next, the Acefast AceFit Air open ear headphones. These are my headphones for situational awareness. The open ear design means I can listen to a podcast, music, or take a call while still hearing the world around me. Perfect for city walks or staying safe on a run. And finally, you can't create if you're uncomfortable. I spend a lot of my time on my feet at conferences and on shoots. These Allbirds wool runners are simply the most comfortable, breathable shoes I've found for all-day light task wear. So there you have it, 8 pieces of gear that I genuinely use and trust, all on sale right now. I have linked every single one of them in my creator gear I use that's on sale list on my Amazon storefront and in the description below. The link is right at the top of the description. As always, using these links gives a small kickback to the channel at no extra cost to you, which helps me make more videos. Thank you for your support. Let me know in the comments which deal you're grabbing. Cheers.